Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter video for you today. So this is part 2. This is for my new members beginner crafters event. So I already made a first video. This is for my second partner in that event. So I got some coloring pages, and then I did the fill in the blank sheet. So I got those. I love coloring pages, so I think that's one of my things I'm going to always include when I do a pocket letter. As long as it matches the theme. So I got that, and these were actually given to me in another letter, pocket letter. They're stickers. They're stickers that you color. So I got 2 sheets of those. So I'm going to give them to her, and then I like making bookmarks, so I made this one. It says dream on it. I just put some blue ribbon on the end of it. Yep, just a cardstock bookmark. I like making big ones. They always end up really big. And then I found these at the Dollarama. There's a pack of 33. So they come in this color and pink with gold. So I'm going to include these. So buying big packs of stuff, that you spread it out into more than one pocket letter, right? And then I got some die cuts. So I got Winnie the Pooh and Piglet, a bear, and a monkey. And see, they'll be able to use this pocket for something else. It's just a trading card sheet. I just cut it. And then I have some stickers. So some letters, a sheet of letters, a sheet of numbers, and those are little animal stickers. So I'm going to include those. And then I got a pencil. And then I got these beads from Walmart, because we're going to do emoji pocket letter. So I thought, oh, I'm going to include some emoji items. So there's those, and then got some ribbon. I used black and white ribbon. So I had a whole bunch of black and white ribbon, so from another project, from my black and white event, and I think I used this in my Elvis pocket letter, so I had some left over. So we buy all this stuff, but there's enough stuff to do more than one pocket letter, right? Because there's like maybe 50 beads in the package. So, and I've already used them twice. So, you know what I mean? It goes out, stretches out. This is the pocket letter I made. So it's a mini's 3 pockets. So I just use my die cut. Made little flowers. It's a simple design. This sparkle tape, it's actually really wide, like I had to cut it. I actually got this in another pocket letter. Yeah, that's that given to me. It's awesome tape. So that's the front. In the back, I included more flower pieces, so they can make their own flowers for another project. Some sparkle flowers. There's tons in this bag from the dollar store. And yeah, some sparkle flowers. And like these sparkle flowers are $3, but there's tons of them. I still on the same package. And there's tons of these. And I think that was only $1, and there's tons of them in the package. So there's you can do a lot more, use them in a lot more pocket letters. Also, I took a trading card sheet and I put some items in it. So I got my favorite tea. It smells so good. It's my favorite tea. Some hearts. Those are from Valentine's Day. It was a big package. So it just, you know, got lots of them. I got my jasmine tea. I do have some new teas. I bought a new kind of new teas, so there's going to be some new kinds showing up. My stars, my butterflies. These charms I found at a craft store. So yeah, they're just plastic charms. Using them in a project. Got my lemon ginger. That's my last one of these flowers. Some tags, and there's the new tea I got. 20 bags. I think there's 4 kinds in the box. So I got that one. So yeah, that's everything. I got my letter written. So yeah, this is everything I'm including, because a lot of these people are new people, new members to the group, new to crafting, so you're starting collecting stuff to make pocket letters, right? So they're going to need all these things. And this is like extra things I've had, right? Like, yeah, because a lot of these things you've probably seen in other pocket letters, probably except for those. Because those are fairly new. I just got those. Yeah. Like these tags, I got 100 hearts, 100 hearts, 100 of these longer ones. 100. So I got lots of pocket letters I still make with them. So yeah. So this is my pocket letter for my Facebook event, new members. So yeah, there's lots of stuff here. So you make, you know, use it for another pocket letter. Give her a bit of a start on collecting stuff. And yeah, so this is my new members pocket letter part 2. Later.